Hello everyone, I'm Kashish and you're watching Kitty Corner Feels. I'm back with episode 6 of Sammy's Children's Day, and last episode we got to know about Chaosan's past and that he is adopted, and he also rejected Li's offer of being sworn brothers. Of course he will reject it, and Li thinks that it's because he has a past with triads and stuff, but that's not the main reason. He will know after that. That's not the main reason. That's not even, I think, so close to the reason. I don't think so Chaosan had that in mind, that oh, he's a triad, I cannot join the triad. That wasn't in his mind at all. But yeah, let's watch what happens in this episode 6. Yeah, he must be feeling so guilty, even though that is not the main reason. That guy is in love with you. He's not going to be your brother.
好似話佢阿媽臨死前最後一句説話就係：千祈唔好俾何初生揾黑社會。
Go apologize.
阿爸，你再堅持多一陣啦。
What happened to his dad? Oh, please don't do anything to him. I like him.
上車。
Please, please, please be okay. Please be okay. Please be okay.
急診喺邊啊？急診入邊啊！病人發生咩事啊？而家準備做手術。阿爸，阿爸。
Please.
阿爸。
Did he have a heart attack?
阿爸。
阿嫂出邊等啊！出邊等啊！喺度等啊！
這個。好痛啊！快啲！
They're really his family now. He genuinely cares for them like a family, even though he doesn't look at Chaosan in the way Chaosan wants him to, but he definitely cares. Yeah, he's so scared.
冇事㗎。我當時返屋企嗰陣，就發現佢已經瞓喺地下啦。點樣叫都叫唔醒。
Oh no, no.
當時店門係打開嘅，但係啲街坊都已經瞓晒，冇人注意到佢。
Oh.
唔使擔心。
Please be okay.
好。
I really don't want him to die.
我自細佢賺錢養我，照顧我。我只係希望可以考間好大學，揾份好工，到時候就可以帶佢離開港同城寨。但係一切明明都已經就嚟實現，佢竟然出咗事，冇用。
No, it's not your.
冇事。
It's not your fault.
冇事啊，冇事啊，六一哥，冇事，唔使擔心，你已經好叻㗎啦。 點樣啊，醫生？
好彩送得嚟及時，手術好成功。
Oh,
一陣間
thank
病醒
God.
轉去普通病房，家屬就可以探視㗎啦。
唔該晒醫生，
Thank you.
唔該晒。
Thank
客
God.
氣，應該嘅。
I really want them to be a happy family together. Like dad marries the auntie and they both come together. Happy family,
我
happy life.
外賣早餐，後女一。
He's again back to
多謝
her,
你。
you Louis. Not
如果唔係
Louis
你及
girl.
時出現，可能真係嚟唔切啦。顧乜嘢啫？何況何叔佢吉人自有天相。對唔住啊，琴日我激嬲咗你。但係我真係唔可以做黑社會。
Okay, so it wasn't a Swan Brothers
對唔住
ceremony,
係我。
was it? Did I
唔係你。
thought wrong?
崔東東同我講話何叔唔係你親，我之前都唔知㗎，我仲逼你做你唔願意做嘅事。我之前以為你唔想加入黑社會，係因為你貪生怕死，係因為你嫌棄我哋。我都對唔住何叔，佢救咗我，我仲咁樣對你。你放心，我以後唔會㗎啦。
Good.
其實你究竟想講啲咩？如果你真係唔中意黑社會，我以後會
Don't
少
say
啲
it.
喺你同學
Yeah,
面前出
don't do
現。
it. No, don't.
「我唔覺得我嘅親生父母係被黑社會連累嘅，只係啱好我阿媽鍾意嘅人係黑社會啫嘛。我都知有好多人加入黑社會係因為生存唔到，
True.
但係唔係所有黑社會嘅人都係壞人。
Possible. Like you.
而且我依家都過得好幸福啊！阿爸俾咗好多愛我，
True. He loves you so much.
只不過佢今次病咗，我先突然意識到，我對佢嘅關心遠遠比唔過佢對我嘅操心。
You should do it now then.
好彩佢冇事，如果唔係嘅話，我真係唔
Don't
知
do
點算。
anything that you will regret. So give him the time you want to.
唔緊要，以後我同你一齊照顧何叔。
Yes.
家仲喺邊度啊？
我喺度，
老友啦。
你坐喺度等我。
Oh. Love it. The whole gang is caring for him. Love that.
分手，我哋扶下爸。
你攞到。
好聲呀，唔使我啦，我得㗎啦。
阿爸，
你兩個衰仔啊！日日話唔使扶咯，唔使扶啦。
睇住啊，睇住啊！
阿肥，你都翻嚟啦，快啲過嚟食飯啦！
肥準備咗咁多啊？
係我準備㗎，冚唪唥都係。
何叔，點啊？
Did he brought food or did he cook?
電視機咁樣點得啊？好貴㗎嘛！我睇下。
點啊？我講過同你一齊照顧何叔嘅，我冇呃你啊。
Did a really good. What was I going to say? Really good work with the styling, because now Chosan looks really grown up.
阿爸，食飯啦。
Love that.
哦，嚟
嚟啊，食飯。
Has stopped smoking now.
嚟坐低。
Lollipop it is.
減嘅嘢，
咁你中唔中意啊？
His home. No, don't vomit in the car.
乜你手車咁曳㗎？都話等我嚟揸㗎啦。
我雖然淨係喺駕校揸過，但你飲醉咗，俾你揸嘅話，等於謀殺。
True. Don't drink and drive.
你冇喐，我自己去。
哦。
Is he going there first time after did that? Paying respect to him. Did he like that cigarette?
阿哥，
Oh.
家姐，我嚟睇你哋啊！阿哥，諗唔到我居然做咗幫主。幫會嘅事都算係順風順水。 幾好啊！我都幾好。我最近呢，識咗一個新嘅朋友，好出奇啊！嗬。
He's
唔係兄弟，又唔係叻，
a friend.
係朋友。
His first friend.
就係嗰個戲痴才子何楚生。
Oh, he's introducing him. Oh.
家姐，你話你中意佢，覺得佢老實。 其實佢好多屎橋㗎，不過份人就算幾有義氣，佢屋企人都好好。同佢哋喺埋一齊嗰陣，我都會諗返起你哋仲喺度嘅日子。每次過生日嗰陣，你哋都喺度，每次都會幫我買蛋糕。今年係 你哋第一次冇同我過生日。嗰日之後，你哋都冇嚟報夢俾我。你哋係咪喺度怪緊我？怪我而家先嚟探你哋？你哋都唔喺度，俾人殺咗，係我冇保護好你哋。
夏綠一，
Did he fall asleep? Bridal style. I thought he would give him a piggyback, right? But is he going to kiss? Don't. Don't. He's asleep. Don't. A cheek kiss is fine. He did kiss. I wanted their first kiss to be them both being fully conscious. But it's okay.
夏綠一，我唔可以做你條靚，因為咁樣我就永遠只係你條靚。
True. So I was correct about his reason for not joining Triad. The birthday cake. Oh, he left him there in the car. No, he didn't.
到啦，行啦。
嗯。
頂，有冇搞錯啊？一直要我揸50，不如我行路好過啦。
交規規定限速就係50㗎，俾警察捉咗點算啊？而且你琴晚黑仲飲醉咗添。
好啦，唔好咁多嘢講啦，行啦。
係啦，阿爸話你下個禮拜要針灸，記得準時嚟喎。
Not the acupuncture again.
何初生，你信唔信我擰甩你個頭當波艇啊嗱？
走啦。
What if he was not fully asleep? What if? Why are you touching? I knew it. I knew it. He wasn't fully asleep. That is a good actor. He acted very well.
何初三，佢嗰時講乜嘢啊？
He is falling in love with you. What do you feel about it? Ask yourself. He bought a birthday cake.
何生，今日係咪都係過嚟揾大佬㗎？
係啊。
今日你見唔到佢喎，大佬一早跟住東東姐出咗去啊。
Oh.
唔喺度啊？
係啊，不如你下次再過嚟揾佢。
Why do I feel like
好啦，咁你幫我將啲嘢轉交俾佢。
好啊。
avoiding him? After that kiss? That's very much possible. Yeah.
老闆
Of course.
何生走咗啦，叫我轉交呢個蛋糕仔俾你啊。
喂，有叫你喐咩？佢仲講咗啲乜嘢？
何生仲話叫你唔好食咁多煙，叫你將啲煙換成棍仔糖啊。
走，仲估我哋大佬抽煙，糖都唔肯拜嘅馬仔，點啊？當姐自己係大嫂啊？
韋英龍，你講乜嘢啊？
Hit the nerve.
爛啊！
She definitely knows.
都係冇嘢做啊！
Like, what did I do?
睇落都幾好食嘅。多數。
喂，咩意思啊？大佬前嗰排唔係同呢個後生仔行得好埋嘅咩？係咪發現咗佢唔係咩好人嚟嘅？
飛呀，可以令大佬變成咁樣，肯定係發生咗咩有事。
Yes, girl.
咩事？
You're on the right track.
说你爱了不该爱的人，你的心中满是伤痕。
You don't need to think about it. It's fine.
咩意思啊？
喂，阿爸，今日下路一過嚟針灸啊嘛，我今日會早啲收工，然之後你同佢講話叫佢一齊食飯啦。
He will definitely know that Lee is avoiding him. He's pretty smart. So yeah. Not him marking the calendar.
我叔，初生一齊學生啦。下次再嚟。阿爸，女哥。阿爸，女哥，帶咗袁記嘅鳳爪俾你哋啊。
上翻嚟啦。
Yeah.
阿爸，
He's
我一哥
avoiding.
咧，
下晝過嚟跟完針就走啦，話有嘢做。
Oh, he did come. Yeah, my guy. Work your brain. He's avoiding. Oh, poor him. He was so excited to meet him. Louis! How can you do that to Chosun? I mean, I get him. He has complicated feelings as well.
晚黑留你食飯喎。
嚇？
衰仔，呢排成日都喺出邊食飯，夜晚成日唔翻屋企喎。我同阿肥咧都覺得佢拍緊拖。
嚇？
咪喐咪喐！哎呀，
冇事冇事喎。
都唔知佢中意啲點樣嘅女仔咧嗬？衰仔咧網絡林子子，其實都好有主見嘅，應該唔中意嗰啲惡人。
Totally opposite. Totally
中
opposite.
意啲白白淨淨嘅。不過咧，我又唔擔心佢，佢好有眼光，從來唔同啲人品差嘅人來往。不過有啲肚係正常嘅，忍下忍下得啦。
Your son
係啦。
has totally opposite preferences.
何叔啊，我今日唔喺度食啦，我有啲事我走先
But。poor him, he got
你真係
the doubt in his mind now. The needles though.
啲針仲未返
Yeah.
哎呀！
Now he would be like, I'm not fit for Chosun.
冇搞錯，成日搞埋啲蘇州事俾我，我當佢係兄弟，佢當我係乜嘢啊？喂，
彭浩欣，係我。
何初生，你點會有電話嘅？
我喺廣告電話亭。我今日出咗糧，買咗啲嘢俾你食。
我喺外地，唔得閒喎。
Liar.
但我見你仲出住燈喎。
He's standing outside. Now it's not gonna work. Louis. You idiot. Oh, Chosun.
时光围绕在你我左右，岁月尽头。你会回来吗？就算世界在变化，不够真切吗？我一直在等你。
Call him inside now.
你还记得吗？
Talk.
雨下的誓言落下。
Wow, the scene is so good. The distance, one in light, one in darkness. The end. Man, episode 6, and we have Chosun's feelings revealed already, and the dad, I love him though, but he now created the doubts in Louis' mind, because already he didn't think of Chosun like that. I feel like he loves him, he definitely does, but he is not conscious about his feelings right now, and he doesn't accept it. And now that, you know, with the conflicting preferences that his dad told, he will feel like, oh, I'm not fit enough. And with Chosun's backstory being like his parents dying because of triads and gangs, he would be like, oh my god, I'm definitely not fit for Chosun. How can he love me? I'm going to create problems for him and stuff like that. And yeah, I can feel angst coming. I feel bad for poor Chosun, because he's trying his best and he loves him, genuinely loves him, and he wants nothing more. But I feel like the look Chosan was giving at the end, I feel like he's going to do something. He's not someone who will just back off and sit aside. After that, I think so he's going to take some actions to make Lee either accept his love or break the relationship some way. Like, he's going to be like, oh, you avoid me, now watch me. Kind of stuff. Oh, the story is getting really good. Oh, I hope they are not like wrapping up soon in 9 episodes, because season 2 is coming, but I hope it was planned before, so we are not getting the full story in 9 episodes. So yes, that was my reaction to episode 6 of Sammy's Children's Day. If you like my reaction, you can like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.